Bay Windows High Springs, Florida, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their living spaces with stunning views and increased natural light. Our expert bay windows contractors in High Springs provide top-notch installation services, ensuring that each window is perfectly fitted to your home's specifications. With a focus on precision and quality, our bay windows installation High Springs team guarantees satisfaction. Custom bay windows in High Springs are designed to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. Our bay windows specialists in High Springs work closely with clients to create personalized designs that complement the architectural style of their homes. Whether you prefer traditional or modern bay windows styles High Springs, our customization options are endless. Energy-efficient bay windows High Springs are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. Our bay windows experts in High Springs offer a range of energy-efficient solutions that help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient bay windows High Springs, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home. Bay Windows High Springs is a service that can transform the look and feel of your home. Our bay windows contractors in High Springs specialize in replacing old, worn-out windows with new, high-quality options. With a variety of bay windows materials High Springs to choose from, you can select the perfect replacement windows to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Bay Windows Repair High Springs is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Our skilled bay windows experts in High Springs provide comprehensive repair services to address any issues, from broken glass to damaged frames. Regular bay windows maintenance High Springs can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Bay Windows Design High Springs is all about creating beautiful, functional spaces that enhance your home's appeal. Our bay windows specialists in High Springs are adept at designing windows that maximize natural light and provide stunning views. With a focus on innovative bay windows trends High Springs, we ensure your windows are both stylish and practical. Bay Windows High Springs offer a wide range of options to suit any home. From classic to contemporary, our bay windows showroom in High Springs showcases the latest styles and designs. Our bay windows suppliers in High Springs provide high-quality materials and craftsmanship, ensuring your windows are both durable and beautiful. Bay Windows materials High Springs are available in a variety of options, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material offers unique benefits, and our bay windows experts in High Springs can help you choose the best option for your home. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, durability, or energy efficiency, we have the perfect bay windows solutions High Springs for you. Bay Windows Consultation High Springs is the first step in creating the perfect windows for your home. Our knowledgeable bay windows specialists in High Springs provide personalized consultations to discuss your needs and preferences. We offer expert advice on bay windows features High Springs, helping you make informed decisions about your window design and installation. Bay Windows experts High Springs are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality craftsmanship.